you gotta go back to that mentality of scoring whenever available. You gotta trust your preparations.
3-point advantage, last 2 minutes of the game. Alano, Buterso, bounce pass to Justin Alano, off the glass, it will roll out. Hesalem comes away with it. Kobe Mone, balik kay Hesalem. Pasa muna kay Jan Formento. Laban kay Jancher Salubre. At the post, Bringas. 9 on their shot clock. RV Bringas.
Oh, that's a flop. That's a flop. He definitely flopped. Sure, nakababa yung balikat ni RV Bringas, pero wala pa eh. Inunahan niya eh.
In-anticipate niya eh.
Oh, and he's that big. I don't think he's gonna drop down that quick. You see? Wala pa eh. It really was, you know, kind of like an armbar that was shown by RV Bringas.
Coach Arvin will challenge the last foul call, the last technical foul call.
Well, that clearly was a flop.
At kung, well, base sa pagkakasabi mo, kung hindi nila may papanalo yung challenge na ito. Tignan natin ha, sa aming babalik yung resulta ng challenge na yan.
The Davao Occidental's challenge was unsuccessful. Technical foul on Wawi Escocio for faking a foul.
Gusto natin yung nilalaro ni Wawi Escocio, pero talagang ano yan. It wasn't even there yet. He made that good stand on that first bump, pero yung pangalawa wala pa.
You know what they say? There's a sniper in the building. Formento will take the technical free throw.
Akala niya siguro kasi malakas yung susunod na bangga eh.
Double-double na naman si Jan Formento. 15 points, 10 assists, does have 6 rebounds.
But his shooting though is only 38%. That's the thing, no?
Kahit nung sa Cebu ganyan eh. 15 points, 11 rebounds. 15 points, 11 assists. 13 assists, sorry. But only shot 6 out of 16.
Yeah. But I'm a firm believer that Jan Formento can shoot so much better than his percentage. You know, with the way that he plays, with a lot of control inside the paint, and yung mindset and quick thinking, I feel he really is one of those guards with a really high IQ here this season.
At stake here for Val City, if they lose this one, it will really hurt their chances of making the play-in. Formento will make sure that they will have a fighting chance. Knocks down that jumper to tie the ball game up at 82 apiece.
And when we show the replay later, I'm gonna prove my point that he really is one of the high IQ players para dito sa Val City. Meantime, important possession for the Tigers here.
Nakasona ang Val City dito. As Davao whips the ball around, Supalpal inabot doon. Formento in transition, natapikan. It will stay with Val City.
He was trying to take it to Wawi Escocio in the hope of getting a foul. This run right here. He understands that Wawi Escocio already got 3. He wants to take it to him. And understanding and trusting that he can actually finish through contact. Ito yung play na sinasabi ko kanina. I say he's very high IQ because he already had, who was that on the down there? That was Kobe Monhe. Kahit na nandun, talagang tinuloy pa rin niya na naintindihan niya, lilipat to pagdating ko dun sa spot na yon. And true enough, he was able to make that decision and score.
Now rejecting the ball screen.
Good pass.
Swing it around, Hesalem. Back to Formento, 5 seconds left on their shot clock. Formento for the lead. Can't get it to fall. Babalik ang bola sa Val City. And probably Hesalem rushed that shot.
Yes, he did. Maybe they were thinking 2-4-1, but I feel they still have maybe a couple more seconds before they actually, get to that shot.
Timeout Davao Occidental. Tabla tayo 82 all, 34.3 seconds left. We'll listen in to the huddle of Coach Arvin Molleon.
Okay, pagka si Comia humawak ng bola, 51 tayo. Okay, kunyari si Comia to, 51 tayo. Pagka pinalik ni Comia dito, okay, kunin mo na yun, balik tayo. Oo, balik. Pero babalik-balik ni Comia. Okay, pag nandito, tao muna tayo.
Tsaka lahat tayo rebound, lahat tayo rebound.
Okay, may timeout pa naman ako isa.
Penalty tayo,
walang foul lang. Kaya taas mo lang pagka.
What do you think, Coach Mike?
Well, they clearly are going to be very conscious of where Jeff Comia is. Understanding that he is a go-to guy in crunch time, especially down in the paint. And so I like to think, when they called out that 51, it might be initially they'll be on a man. But once Jeff goes inside, they'll compact that zone. Compact that paint, rather.
That was the last time out of Davao Occidental. Val City still has one more. Escobedo could not shake off the defense of Jan Formento. Comia, the pass outside sa Lubre, masyadong malakas. 15 seconds remaining.
Last shot of the game here.
Formento now.
To win or tie.
Makes his move. Formento spins and got fouled. 2 shots coming up for Jan Formento.
Are they gonna challenge this?
Hindi na.
Nawala na. Unsack na pala sila kanina. That's right. Well, we'll see that. Did he get all ball on that drive? We'll see. Ball. Ooh.
Tough ball.
That was a tough one.
Tough break if you're Davao Occidental. Formento on the line, shooting 81% in the season. Val City as a team has only missed 5. Formento calmly sinks the first free throw. Davao Occidental does not have any more timeouts.
So no more timeouts. No chance for them to set up anything. They're gonna play this on the fly.
18 points and 10 assists. Missing the second. Davao, chance to win it. Escobedo inside the pass. Escocio scores! 0.7 seconds remaining. Val City calls timeout. What a play there by the Davao Occidental Tigers.
Well, they quickly ran the other way and trying to attack, understanding the time that was left, that front end miss, then that run.
Assist of the game brought to you by 1xBet, the title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feed more game with 1xBet.
They had RB Bringas really preoccupied with that drive by Perominga, and Tiburcio tried to help out on that pass for Wawi Escocio. You know, we'll see.
Ikaw nang inbound, Formento. Hindi, sige. Si Formento nandito, si Formento. Formento dito. JJ, ikaw to, JJ. Okay? Ikaw to, si Kobe na to, saka si si Jules. Oh. Si Kobe saka si Brian, si Kobe saka si si Pogpog.
Pasok mo sila on them out.
Dito ka nagaling, Yan. Ikaw na mag-inbound Sino? Ikaw na mag-inbound. Hindi, ito na nga si na nga to eh. Kasi dalawa to eh. Okay, go Formento, go. Okay, oh. Hindi, dito ka na. Yan, kita ka sa gitna. Formento to. Okay? Si Kobe mag-inbound eh, di ba? Formento, gamitin mo to dito dahil. Good. Pag dito ka papunta. Okay, papunta ka doon. Okay, pag quick shot, sino dito? Jules na dahil dito. Pero hit natin to ha. Hit natin si Formento.
Sino to, coach?
Si Formento.
Antay mo.
Hey, good split tayo ha.
Well, they're going for Mento here. And I'd like to think they want whoever is guarding for Mento to take a hit with that screen so that it frees up Jan.
Here we go. Monje will trigger it in. Formento got blocked by Salubre, and that's gonna do it.
Boy, did he get that ball on that spot. But a good challenge though by Salubre.
Davao Occidental trailing for the majority of this game.